Minister of Information and Culture Alhaji Lai Mohammed explains factors responsible for the rising cases of COVID-19 in National Youth Service Corps camps. The minister also speaks on the third wave of the virus and its effects worldwide.
I think two things are responsible for the high case reported in the National Youth Service Corps camp. One is because of the consistent testing that has been taking place in the camp. And the truth of the matter is that if we ramp up testing today, there will be more cases. Second thing that I think is responsible for the high case in the National Youth Service Corps is that people have actually let down their guards. We are no longer obeying the non-pharmaceutical interventions such as washing your hands regularly with water and soap, or when it's not available, sanitizing your hands, wearing face masks in public, not indulging and not gathering people for parties, keeping social distancing. If over 4 million people, about 4.2 million people have been lost worldwide, this is serious, and it's not abating. So we need to take more seriously the protocol around the COVID-19, especially the non-pharmaceutical intervention. These are states that are bearing the biggest burden of the pandemic. So there's no gainsaying that we're already in Nigeria in the third wave of the pandemic. And what we've done as the Presidential Steering Committee, as soon as we noticed this, was to send an alert to both community workers, and actually what we did immediately we noticed this was to realize that there will be more demand on our infrastructure. So we try to train community volunteers and also experts in intensive care so that they can respond to this new wave of COVID-19. But as rightly mentioned, the new wave of COVID-19, especially the third wave, in some countries fourth and its fifth, you are right. It is not unique to Nigeria. Because when you look at as of last Saturday, I think we have 171,000 plus. Probably it's now going to almost 1,000 cases in Nigeria. But what we've witnessed that the last 4 weeks, in particular, has witnessed so much increase globally. Small fact, we are witnessing almost a 4 million increase every week, globally today. And from a daily case of about 540,000, we are now witnessing 570,000 daily, worldwide. So really, Nigeria is already in the third wave, and this case, I think, has been compounded by the Delta variant. We've identified the Delta variant in several states in Nigeria also. It appears that while the normal virus and the normal variant would take about 7 days to manifest, the Delta variant could manifest within 2 days of your being infected. So it's a real challenge to us, to the entire world, but the PSC is not resting on its oars to ensure that we give out necessary, directive for a national response to this virus.